I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the cells you want to fix. Use Ctrl+A to grab the whole sheet if needed. Once selected, inspect the lines visually and decide whether they are default grid lines, manual cell borders, or drawing objects. Each is removed differently. Next, open the View menu to check grid lines, and then the Format Borders tool to preview active borders. This prepares you to remove the correct kind of line without accidentally clearing data or formatting. Now remove the lines. To hide default grid lines, go to View and uncheck Show Grid Lines. This only hides them, preserving layout. For manual borders, open Format, choose Borders, then click the Clear Borders icon. Apply to the selected range to erase visible borders. If a line is part of a drawing or image, click it to select the object and press Delete. Make sure to check frozen rows and hidden sheets where borders might persist, and proceed to final cleanup. Finish by checking conditional formatting rules. Open Format Conditional Formatting and remove any rules that draw borders or colored lines. Once done, review version history if lines reappear unexpectedly and restore an earlier version if needed. If lines still show, make sure there are no protected ranges, frozen panes, or hidden drawings. Unlock or unfreeze them and recheck. One key troubleshooting tip: if a persistent line is visible after all this, export to Excel briefly. Sometimes that reveals an overlay object you can delete then re-import.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.